Smell that sea air? I love the boardwalk. I love coming here. There's so many things to see. So many places to go. And you know what's the best thing about a day like today? There's nobody here hustling you.
Hi! You look like the guy who could use a riddle.
I like riddles.
$2, please.
Oh! Here. Okay. Tell me a riddle.
In the morning, it's on 4 legs. And then it goes on 2 legs in the afternoon. And then, in the nighttime, it goes back to be 3 legs.
In the morning it has 4 legs. In the afternoon it has 2 legs. It has 3.
Uh-huh. And if you don't get it, you'll have to give me an extra $1.
I didn't sign up for this. Oh. A giraffe?
No.
I know.
It was your first try. I'm taking all
Oh,
the money.
God!
I
Hate this!
I took more than $1. I took 7.
Hey, stop that kid! Stop that kid! Where'd she go? Hey, you kid!
Where am I gonna go? I know, the beehive.
Where did she go? She went at the beehive.
Who are you?
I'm Miss Delah Bee.
Miss Delah Bee, that's a nice name. There are bees everywhere.
Yes, of course, they live here.
Don't they sting you?
No, I'm on official bee business.
Bee business?
Yeah, the bees are my suppliers for my products.
What do you sell?
Honey.
Ooh, I like honey. Can I have some?
I sell honey.
Well, how much does it cost?
For you, $10.
Well, you only got $7 here.
You! Give me back my money.
Hey, pick on someone your own size.
You kidding me? This kid robbed me.
No, I didn't. You bought riddles.
Boy. You hustled me and then you robbed me.
Hey, I'm trying to make a sale here.
And I can't even buy it because you only had 7 lousy bucks.
Oh, psh, you're kidding me. You think that's all I got? I got lots of money.
Oh yeah?
Oh, yeah? Well, the honey costs 10. Give the lady 3 more.
The kid wants honey. worry, they don't sting. Unless they smell fear. Alright. See you next time, boys.